Okay then, in the downstairs vitopod. First time I've said that this year. Look at the roots on these cucumbers. Cool. Crikey, they're going to need potting on very, very soon. And there's a whole punnet there of the Jiffy 7Cs with Moneymaker tomatoes in. And they're just poking through today. On the outside we got the leeks. Just got themselves in from the sun. Probably won't see them while I'm here, but in the corner there we have a robin, a pair of robins and a baby. They're in and out all the time with insects, and I've just got some fresh mealworms coming for them. Loads of broad beans, and the ones that didn't fire I stuck an extra couple in just to see if I can get some poking up. And the single seed potato challenge. Spuds, nothing there yet. Chilies are outside most days now. I've neglected this one a bit. It's getting a bit dry, but don't matter. It'll recover. Just checking there's no whitefly. Lupins potted on. These are dotted all over the place at the moment. Loads of beetroot. Lupins up there. A few onions left. Planted some up the plot the other day in the greenhouse. Sweet peas potted on and pinched out. They're under the light for a bit. Won't be long before I turn the light off actually. Spuds chitting up there. Loads of flowers around all over the place. They're getting big now. So I have to put these on sale soon. I can knock the price down a bit. I keep bringing home a milk container full of rainwater from the allotment because it hasn't been raining. Because the butts up there, they're fed from the lake, so that's rainwater. Yeah, more flowers, more flowers, more flowers. Begonias are actually starting to flower there, look. These negotiatas, they're getting too big for the pots. More spuds. Carnivorous plants. Still no growth on the lemongrass. They're normally quite quick. But chives, just the perennial ones showing at the moment. No garlic chives and no annual chives. Couple of aubergine black beauties. More flowers, more flowers, more flowers, more flowers. Loads of brassicas. Celery in there. Nothing yet. I only sowed those yesterday. Now, I think we have some Cape gooseberries popping up. And is that a potato? Could they look the same? Is that the Clancy's coming up? Not sure what they look like. I'll have to wait for Robin to comment to see what hers look like. And loads of herbs down the bottom. They've had a good spraying as well this morning. Yeah, we're looking okay. Let's have a quick look at the front. The okra's making an appearance now. Got to keep the eye on these, keep these moist. Strawberries ready to go soon. That's about it then really, guys. The ginger doing nothing yet. I've got them stacked up here. It's nice and warm out here. A few more plants. Onions, spring onions. And that's it then. Okay then, here we are upstairs in the vitopod, and it's full of tomatoes, or tomato seedlings, or would-be seedlings. Here's the first batch, the ones with all the bright green leaves. They're sown in peat, Jiffy 7s. Generally good, but that lot there, not a single one germinated, that lot there. I'll tell you what they are in a minute. And at the back, these are the Coir Jiffy 7s, Jiffy 7Cs. And you can see what I mean now about them bulging out the top. You know, it's... yeah. It's what it is, isn't it, I suppose. But I'll be going back to peat ones, that's for sure. Okay then, guys. That's about it for this week. Catch you next Monday. Take care.